Hello everyone, this is Sonku again and you are watching Rooftop Gardening. Today I am going to be comparing the growth of these spinach plants, this from this pot and from this pot. Okay, this pot is actually the organic fertilizer that I'm using, and the soil is actually organic from the vegetable husk, whatever you say. So this plant was actually growing very fast and the plant is actually very big. You can see that two main leaf and two larger leaf, and the third and fourth leaf have come out. And from the other tub you can see there is only two leaves, the main leaf, the second leaf, and the two leaves, and there is no other growth. Okay, so this one is actually not grown up to the point, because I think this tub is actually was left here for 3 to 4 years without any fertilizer, without any plantation, because the plants were growing and the soils were drying up. There is no fertilizer, and these are actually organic. That's why these spinach plants have grown very fast, and these are actually healthy. And as you can see, this plant and this plant, so this one is healthy and this one is not, because this one did not have any fertilizer or water for 3 to 4 years, and this is the fresh soil, the compost soil that I have collected, because this is very healthy. So I'll keep you updated. Stay tuned for that and subscribe if you want to, because it's a new channel. It will be very helpful for me. Okay, thank you.